Hey, it's Design Guy here. Curious how to seamlessly blend two photos in Canva? Let me show you how. Click Create, then type Poster and select the landscape layout. Next, choose your images and apply the blend mode to merge them seamlessly for a smooth, professional design effect in your poster project. Select two images from Elements. Search for waterfalls, then choose any two waterfall images. Drag and drop both images onto the canvas. Arrange them as desired to create a visually appealing composition with the waterfalls prominently featured. Select a high-quality image that enhances your project's visual appeal and clearly conveys your intended message to the audience. For example, we will add this element here and adjust its position. This simple step enhances the design and improves user interaction, making your project more functional and visually appealing. Create a new page by clicking the plus icon. Then add another image by selecting the Image tool and choosing your file. This will insert a new image onto the fresh page, allowing you to continue building your project efficiently. This image appears to have a blended effect applied, combining multiple layers seamlessly for a smooth visual transition. Click the Edit button to open the editing options for your selected item. Use Magic Expand to enhance your video directly on the page. It automatically adjusts and optimizes the video for better viewing and engagement. Click the Share button to open sharing options, then select the desired platform to share your document quickly and easily. Select from the old images available to update your project with a previous version or preferred design. Click Done when you're satisfied with the improved selection to finalize your changes and proceed to the next step. Next, click and drag the corner handles to enlarge the image to your desired size smoothly. Press the right arrow key to move the object precisely to the right within your workspace. You can also add other elements to customize your project further and enhance its design. Let's add an element that resembles a shadow tree to enhance the design. This will create depth and visual interest in your project quickly and effectively. Navigate back to the previous section, then enter redness into the designated field. Ensure the input is accurate before proceeding to the next step. Blend different colors and adjust the transparency of the image to achieve the desired effect. Use the opacity slider to reduce transparency seamlessly, ensuring the colors integrate smoothly. This enhances the overall look and visual harmony of your design. This appears to be a blended image. To share it, simply click the Share button located at the top right. Click the Download button to save your file. Increase the image size to improve quality, then click the Download button to save it. Now you know how to blend two images in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more tips.